Welcome to Esharfa English.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, where do you want to go?
I want to go to the supermarket.
Which supermarket do you mean?
The one near the park.
Okay, please get in.
How much will it cost?
Around $20.
That's fine. Let's go.
Do you want AC on?
No, it's okay.
All right, let's move.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Is the road busy now?
A little bit, but not much.
I'm in a little hurry.
Don't worry, I'll go fast.
Please drive safely, too.
Sure, I always drive safe.
Do you drive full time?
Yes, I drive every day.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I meet new people.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it keeps me busy.
Is this your own taxi?
No, it is company taxi.
Oh, I see.
Yes, I rent it daily.
Do you work at night, too?
Sometimes when it's needed.
Do you use GPS?
Yes, always for new places.
That's smart and helpful.
It avoids traffic areas.
I hope we reach soon.
We're almost there now.
Please stop at the gate.
Sure, I'll stop right there.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Here's your fare.
Thank you very much.
Keep the change.
That's very kind, thanks.
Have a good day.
Same to you, ma'am.
Hi, are you available?
Yes. Where would you like to go?
I want to go to my office.
Sure. What's the address?
It's near City Mall.
Got it. Please get in.
What's the fare to go there?
It'll be $40.
Okay, let's go now.
Do you want the AC on?
Yes, please turn it on.
All right. I've turned it on.
How much time will it take?
Around 25 minutes, ma'am.
I have a meeting at 9.
I'll take the fastest route.
Please don't break any rules.
Don't worry, I won't.
How long have you been driving?
I've been driving for 5 years.
That's a long time.
Yes, I know the city well.
Do you work all day?
Mostly from 7 to 7.
That's a busy schedule.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
Do you take breaks in between?
Yes, I rest in the afternoon.
That's good to hear.
It keeps me fresh to drive.
I work in a bank office.
That sounds like a nice job.
It is, but very stressful.
Every job has stress these days.
Yes, that's true.
At least you don't drive.
Driving in traffic is hard.
Yes, but I'm used to it.
Do you like city roads?
Not really. They're noisy.
I prefer quiet roads too.
Then you'd like the suburbs.
Do you drive outside the city?
Sometimes for long rides.
That must be fun.
Yes, long drives are peaceful.
Are we close to the office?
Yes, just 5 minutes more.
Please drop me near the gate.
Okay, I'll stop right there.
Thank you for the smooth ride.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
Here is your fare.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
You do. Good luck at work.
Hello, are you free now? Yes, sir. Where to? I need to go to the airport. Domestic or international terminal? International terminal, please. All right, hop in. How much will it cost? Around $60, sir. That's fine. Let's move. Do you want the AC on? Yes, please turn it on. Okay, it's on now. How long will it take? About 45 minutes, maybe more. I have a flight at 5. Don't worry, we have time. Please take the expressway. Sure, it's faster for airport. Is the road clear today? It looks fine on GPS. That's good news. Yes, traffic is light today. Do you drive to airport often? Almost every day, sir. You must know the way well. Yes, I know all the routes. Is it safe to travel at night? Yes, airport roads are patrolled. That's comforting to know. No worries, sir. Do you face rude passengers? Sometimes, but I stay calm. That's a good attitude. Thank you for saying that. I'm flying to Dubai today. That's a long flight. Safe travels. Are we close to airport now? Yes, just 10 minutes away. Please stop near Gate 4. Sure, I'll stop at Gate 4. Thank you for the ride. You're welcome, sir. Here is your payment. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a safe flight, sir.
Is this taxi free?
Sure, get inside.
I have a salon appointment.
Okay, ma'am. Where to, please?
Rose Beauty Parlor on Hill Road.
I'll take you there.
How much will it cost there?
Around $50, not more.
That's a bit high. Can you lower it?
I'm already giving a good rate.
I don't have much cash. Please help.
How much can you pay?
Can you take $30?
$40 is the best I can do.
All right, $40 is okay.
Great. Let's go then.
That is fine. Let's go now.
All right, ma'am. We are going.
Can you turn on the AC?
Yes, I'll turn it on now.
I'm already running a bit late.
Don't worry. I'll drive safely and fast.
I have a booking at 11.
No problem. We'll reach on time.
Do you know the shortest route?
Yes, I know a quicker way.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Do you know the salon well?
Yes, ma'am. I've been there before.
I go there every 2 weeks.
They must know you well now.
Yes, they treat me very kindly.
That sounds like a good place.
I am getting a haircut today.
I'm sure it will look great.
Do you take care of your hair?
Not much, just simple wash daily.
You should oil it once a week.
I will try that. Thank you.
Do you drive this area often?
Yes, ma'am. I know all roads.
That is very helpful for passengers.
Yes, ma'am. No need for GPS.
Do you work all 7 days?
No, ma'am. I rest on Sunday.
That's good. We all need rest.
Yes, ma'am. Very true indeed.
Is traffic bad on Hill Road?
Not now, ma'am. It's clear.
I don't like crowded roads much.
Me too. They waste time always.
Are we close to the parlor now?
Yes, ma'am. Just 5 minutes away.
Please stop at the left side.
Okay, I'll stop there.
Thank you for the smooth ride.
You're welcome, ma'am. Anytime.
Here is your full fare.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am. Take care.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, ma'am. Where to?
I need to go to City Hospital.
Sure. Please get in.
How much will it cost there?
Around $30.
That's a bit much. Discount?
Okay, I'll take $25.
That's better, thank you.
No problem, ma'am.
I have an appointment today.
I hope everything is okay.
I have a checkup today.
Regular or something urgent?
Just a regular health check.
That's good to hear.
I feel a little weak.
You should rest more.
Yes, I think so too.
Rest is best for your health.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, from morning till night.
Isn't it tiring for you?
It is, but I'm used to it.
Do you work on weekends?
Yes, it's busier on weekends.
I hope today is peaceful.
It looks fine so far.
Are we halfway there yet?
Yes, ma'am. Almost there.
That's a relief to hear.
Are you nervous about checkup?
A little bit, yes.
I'm sure it'll be okay.
Are we getting close now?
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes more.
Please drive smoothly from here.
Sure, ma'am. I will go slow.
I don't like bumpy roads much.
I will avoid them. Don't worry.
Do you like your driving job?
Yes, ma'am. It helps many people.
I think the hospital is near.
Yes, ma'am. It's on the left.
Please stop at the main gate.
Sure, ma'am. I will stop there.
Thank you for the quick ride.
You're welcome, ma'am. Anytime.
Here is the full fare.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Pray my tests come out fine.
I hope everything goes well.
Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Take care too.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.